Hi, in this video I'm going to teach you the Forelis, the western song, how to play that song using your fingers with a good rhythm. So let us start the first part of the song in the fourth octave. This is the fourth octave. Okay, this is the fourth octave. From this C to this C, they call it as fourth octave. So in this octave, the first alphabet is E. So start with your middle finger. E. The notes are E, D, E, D, E. First you hit E, then D, E, D, E two times. E, D. So the first starts with the ring finger. The E have to start with the ring finger. So by mistake I told you I said middle finger, not middle finger. You have to use ring finger. E, D, E, D, E. Okay, E, D, E, D, E. So once you finish this, you have to come to the come to the B, which is in the third octave, the last key of the third octave. This is B. Okay, E, D, E, D, E, B. Okay, E, D, E, D, E, B. So once you finish this B, E, D, E, D, E, B, D, C, A. After B, you have to hit D, which is in the fourth octave, with your middle finger. B, D, C. Next C. Same. C also in the fourth octave. Next A. A is in the third octave. Okay. Now I am playing the whole part till here. E, D, E, D, E, B, D, C, A. Ring finger, middle finger, ring finger, middle finger, ring finger, thumb, middle finger, index finger, thumb. Okay, this is the small part. After this, you have to come to the beginning of the third octave. This is the beginning of the third octave. This key will be C. So once you hit A here, once you finish this A, you have to come to the beginning of the third octave. Starts from here with the thumb. This is C. Okay, this is C. Next part is C, A, B, C, A, B, thumb, index, ring finger, pinky finger, C, D, A, B. So what is the rhythm till here from the beginning? This is the rhythm. Rhythm means how to play with the gaps. Where you have to give the gap, where you have to where you will not give the gap. So these are the things that you have to know before you start playing. Okay, so after this you have to start E. From E again with the thumb. E, G, B, C. G means G sharp. E, G, B, C. Okay. So okay, this is the one of the smallest part of the song. Next, same have to repeat. Same whole part you have to repeat. Before you start here, you have to hit same E in the third octave once. First you hit this E and start from here. Everything is same. You are adding this E extra. Okay, till here everything is same, but the last part of this will be changed. The first part, what did you play? E, G, B, C. this is the first part. Now in this part, E C B A. The first part is E G B C. The second part is E C B A. Thumb, pinky, ring finger, middle finger. Now I'm playing the whole part from the beginning. Okay, this is the right hand part only. Now I'm going to teach you the left hand. Again, start from the beginning. Once you hit the A here, same with the C, you have to coordinate like this. Once you hit the A with your right hand, same time you have to hit the A with your left hand using pinky finger. Okay, so this A and this A are playing together. Okay, playing together. Pinky finger here, thumb finger here. Okay, once you started left hand, you have to continue A, but there is no gaps. So like this. Once you hit A, continue like this. Don't play like this is not the correct way. So everything is with same gaps. A E A. The A means which very first octave. The A you have to play in the first octave, and E is the second octave with your index finger, and same second octave A you have to play again with your thumb finger. So once you finish this left hand part, A, E, A, so you keep ready your thumb finger on C to start C, E, A, B. So once you finish A, E, A part with your left hand, so when you are playing this, you keep ready the thumb finger on C, which is in the third octave C. Okay, once you finish the A, E, A, C, once you finish A, E, A, you have to immediately start the C with your thumb finger. The right hand is same like what I taught you earlier. Only thing I'm adding the left hand to the right hand. Okay. Okay. What I did, first I started with E, D, E, D, E, B, D, C, E. This chase coordinates with the A, E, A. Once you finish A, E, A, immediately have to start C, E, A, B. So I'm playing till here again. Okay, next. Once you finish C, D, A, B, this B is coordinates with E, which is in the very first octave with the pinky finger. So C, E, A. So once you hit B here, once you hit B with your right hand, that is with your pinky, same time with this B you have to coordinate with A, same with your pinky finger in the first octave. C, B, C, E, A. once you started the left hand part, we have to continue the first octave E and second octave E and G sharp in the second octave. G sharp, G sharp, same like A, the rhythm is same. Okay, the only thing is coordinating with the B. So I'm playing the whole part till here from the beginning. Okay, so 1 2 3 1 2 3. These three keys has no speed changes. Between these three keys the speed is same. Okay, 1 2 3 1 2 3, not like this. 1 2 3, not like this. 1 2 3, la la la. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 1 2 3 1 2 3, alaganma. So I have to play like that. 1 2 1 2 3 4. This B is coordinated with the E, G sharp. So I'm playing again. So I play a little forward. So when you are playing E, G sharp, you keep ready your thumb finger on E. You keep ready your thumb finger on E. To start A, G sharp, B, C part. To play the E, G sharp, B, C part. Once you finish E, G sharp. Once you finish G sharp, you have to start this E immediately. Like this. Okay? How it comes? Okay, E G B C, got it? Once you finish E G sharp, immediately have to start E G B C. So again, once you finish this C is coordinates with the A E again. Okay, this C is coordinates with the A. Once you start the left hand part, continue like. Okay, I'm playing again the whole part from the beginning. What I did, the first I started with E, D, E, D, E, B, D, C. This A starts with the left hand part, same A, E, A. Once you finish A, E, A, you have to start immediately C, E, B, C part with your right hand immediately. So once you hit this C, B, A, C, E, A, B, the B is coordinates with the E, G sharp. Once you finish G sharp with your left hand, immediately start that right hand part, which is E, starts with thumb. Again this C coordinates with the A. Yeah. Now till here we'll end now. Now the second part, same you have to start the same, you have to repeat the second part. Before you start with E, D, E, D, E, I told you already, you have to add the E extra. Okay, E, D, E, E, D, E, E, D, E, D, E. So E, E, D, E, D, E. So everything coordination is same. Okay, now the last part will be changed little. The first part I'm going to play now. This is the last part. So the second part, how we are starting the second part. This is the extra E. This A is coordinates with the A, E, and starting. This B is coordinates with the E, G sharp. Next, immediately starting. This C is coordinates with the A, E. Next, A, E, B, E, C, B, A. The last part, E, C, B, A again, coordinates with the A, E, C, B, A. Okay, this is the whole part. Now I'm playing this whole part from the beginning. This is the whole, not whole the song. This is the very small part of this song. This has more to know. Please practice this until you get it perfect. If you have any doubt even watching this video, you can ask me. I will send you through WhatsApp. Okay, bye.